Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the water, close the local shutoff or main, and open the faucet to relieve pressure. Once done, remove the handle cap and unscrew the retaining screw with the correct driver. Make sure to pull the handle straight off, inspect for stripped splines or a loose retaining clip. Keep parts in order. Lay them on a towel so you can reassemble in the same sequence. You're doing this to expose the cartridge or stem quickly and avoid losing small pieces. Once the cartridge or stem is exposed, use a wrench to remove the bonnet nut and pull the assembly straight up. You need to inspect O-rings, seats, and the washer. Look for scoring, flattening, or mineral buildup that causes spinning. If a retaining clip or spring is present, note its orientation before removal. Replace worn parts with exact matches, cartridge, O-ring, or washer, and clean mineral deposits from the valve body. Apply a thin layer of NSF-rated lubricant to O-rings before reinstalling to prevent future slipping. Reassemble by reversing order. Seat the cartridge, secure the bonnet nut to manufacturer torque, and set the handle in the original orientation. Turn the supply on slowly while watching for leaks. Operate the handle through its full range to ensure smooth, positive engagement and correct tension. If the handle still spins, inspect the splines for wear and either tighten the set screw, replace the handle, or install a spline adapter. One troubleshooting tip: if leaking persists, double-check seat alignment and replace the valve seat or call a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.